Hi, I'm teacher Michael. I am all the way from South Africa, and this was my first time being in Kampot. What I would like to emphasize on was the salt fields, getting to see all of the groundwork, how these people put love, passion, and all of their creativity into diverse life and nature all across the board. Getting to see the pepper farm, I got to see a different side to the nature of the people here. And not only are they kind-hearted, but also they have a way of just embracing the most natural and simplistic parts of life. I am a teacher and a member of Nira International School for 2 years. What I would like to say on behalf of my team and myself is that there's nothing more beautiful than getting to be in the middle of the wonder of the world and the kingdom of Cambodia. Thank you. On my behalf of promoting Cambodia, or if you've ever been wondering, should I or shouldn't I, you should. And the main reason why you should is simply because not only do you get a breath of fresh air out here in Kampot, you also get to see beauty on its own horizons. You get to witness how the people take into account what it means to live life in the simplest of ways. And I think what anybody could take from this experience is a rebirth within yourself. If you're looking for a change, if you're looking for a different sight, this is the place to be.